If you need to cancel a pending Netflix transaction, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly before it completes. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Netflix account by visiting the Netflix website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Check payment information. In Account Settings, locate the Membership and Billing section. Here, you can review your payment information and see any pending transactions. Step 4. Cancel the membership. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm the deadline. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, ensure you receive a confirmation email from Netflix regarding the cancellation. This will verify that the pending transaction has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending Netflix transaction before it completes. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for assistance.